it's Aisha Chidole. I'm an immigration attorney here in Orlando, Florida. I represent clients all over the United States and all around the world as long as you're interested in immigrating to America or being reunited with a loved one. I would be happy to assist you. My number here is 407-995-6567. All right, so today I'm still a little bit under the weather. As you can tell, I sound very nasally, but I just wanted to just hop on real quick and talk about something interesting. So yesterday, I watched The Real Housewives of New Jersey, and it was the first interview between Teresa Giudice and Joe Giudice. For those of you who watch Real Housewives franchise, you know what I'm talking about. Teresa and her husband were both arrested a couple years ago and put in prison for several bankruptcy or paper and wire fraud crimes. And Teresa served 11 months, and Joey Giudice basically served, I think, about 3 years and some change, almost 4 years. But one of the interesting things and why I just wanted to hop on here was because basically because of the time that he served, he basically was ordered to leave the United States, essentially, or wait in an ICE detention center. And, it was shocking for a lot of people. Why? Because Joe has been a green card holder, essentially, for years and years and years. He came to the United States when he was 2 years old. He's been married for God knows how many years, for at least 19 or 20 years. His wife is an American citizen. And so, a lot of people want to know, well, why are they deporting him? It's a green card holder. But, one of the things that you may or you may not know is that when you're a green card holder, you do not get the same benefits that United States citizens get. Like, if you're a United States citizen via birth or naturalization, if you commit a crime of moral turpitude, a crime related to firearms, crime related, drug related and stuff like that, you serve your time and then you're done. But if you're a green card holder, it basically means that you're subject to being inadmissible in the United States, which means basically you could get deported, So in his case, he committed a crime of what they would consider a crime of moral turpitude. And so because of that, they feel he's no longer basically welcome here in the United States. And that can be very devastating for, a family who has been, they've based their whole life here. They've got 4 children and they've been living here. And outside of this incident, he is, quote unquote, being a good citizen. I mean, that's, allegedly. But the point is, if you're a green card holder and you're eligible to naturalize and become a U.S. citizen, for most people via marriage, it's 3 years if you're still married. And then otherwise, it's 5 years. You need to go ahead and do your naturalization because you do not want to put yourself in a position where, God forbid, you get into some sort of legal troubles, you'll be deported after, the long, hard battle of becoming a green card holder, okay? And the same goes for, and then I know sometimes some people say, well, I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to naturalize, I can't speak English or whatever it is. This is a good opportunity. There are many courses, and many programs that offer teaching, to teach you the things that are required for a naturalization test, to learn English, conversational English, and things that will help you. And then there are also some exceptions, depending on your age, that can accept you for taking the naturalization test. And that's something that I can definitely talk to you about to see if you qualify for those. So I hope this quick video has been helpful. I would love for you to share with your friends who are green card holders and should have naturalized and haven't naturalized yet. Like and comment below if you know anybody else that has been in this situation. And of course, you can reach me at 407-995-6567. Thank you. Have a great day.